What's up, my people, and welcome back to another video. This is just a sneak peek to the class that we are currently running on. You can see what I'm holding. This is an actual ready-made short. Like, every details of the shorts are ready-made. The fabric, the sewing, the cotton, the stitching, the measurements. This right here is a medium size short. And the fabric that I use to sew this one is the actual fabric used in sewing a ready-made that you buy in boutique, because I sell this in the boutique as well. In my boutique, I mean. If you're not in our WhatsApp group where I talk about when I open my new boutique, you should probably join the group. A link is going to be below, right? So this basically that you're seeing right here is a short, and in the class that I'm talking about, we did how to cut a round neck, how to cut and sew and put designs like graphics design on in an actual round neck. We teach that there. We did hoodie, we cut and sew hoodie, we cut and sew shorts, we cut and sew a joggers, we cut and sew a ready-made jacket. And that jacket, I actually use a tweed fabric. We cut and sew a ready-made jacket, and the details of those clothes are actual ready-made. Do you understand? So if you'd like to join the group, a link is going to be below. If you'd like to see the whole course outline of the class, I'm going to post a link below as well to the website where you're going to see all of the info. If you'd like to join our Telegram group also, we share more info about the class there as well. A link is going to be below this video. So this is just a sneak peek to the class and the details of what we are doing. Also, this is just a short here. So also we did a hoodie, and on this part I'm actually doing the graphics. So this is going to be at the back of the outfit. All these graphics is something you can actually buy in the market, or you can create by yourself. These graphics right now, you can actually use ChatGPT to generate them. You generate them when you go to Jabba Market. You give it to the graphics designer, they print it out for you, and all you have to do is just to transfer it. So basically, these are how most people do mesh. Do you get it? This is actually a very simple thing, and if you learn how to do this, you understand the best fabric, you know how to sew it, this is something you can mass produce and you can start making your money as soon as possible, because these are casual wears. These are the kind of clothes people wear every time. These are the kind of clothes that does not require occasion, you know. Hoodie, shorts, joggers, jackets, those are casual clothes. And that's even one of the reasons why I go into boutique. I opened a boutique last year September. I opened a new boutique and I started sewing all of these things for my store, and also some other materials, jean, denim jackets, all of these things. So if you come to my area, you can probably branch my office as well and see my stuff. But if you want to learn how to do this step by step, this is the best class for you. So basically, this video is more of like an advert to if you want to join any of my classes, and that will be about it on this video. I will see you on the next one. All the link is going to be below this video. So that's about it. I'll see you on the next one. Peace and love. Do have a lovely rest of the evening. Bye bye.